Ngayong araw ay mamamalengke kami dahil maliligo kami, alis kami. Saan nga tayo nun, bro? Bayokbong? Bayokbo. So, kasama ko si Bert.
Hello guys.
At saka syempre yung pinsan ko, si Lawrence. So, kakagising lang namin. Mamamalengke kami ngayon. Yun. So, dapat kasama namin ngayon si ate at saka si Sandra. Kaso wala, patulog-tulog eh. Patulog-tulog yung mga tao na yan. Kaya, ayun. Kami na lang mamimili. Wala eh. Sila yung nagplano, pero kami yung gagawa.
Alas 8 ng umaga.
Alas 8. Ano yun ate? Anong oras? Alas 7? Alas 8?
Maghahandaw eh.
Grabe.
Kaya kung kuminili, hindi naman pagising mo kayo.
Sobrang aga pa ng call time mo ate ha. Tapos sabay ngayon, ikaw yung wala ngayon no. Lakas magyaya ah. Lakas magplano eh. Ang ganda ng pagkaplano. Alas 8 tayo bukas ha.
Sila yung nag-drawing, tayo yung nagkulay. Sila yung nag-drawing, tayo yung nagkulay.
Nanti-trip tong dalawang to eh. So, maghahanap muna kami ngayon ng pork para sa pang-iyaw. Pero pala dito eh.
Magkano ba?
Ganyan po, 380.
$390. Sige. Okay.
Para sa discount.
Thank you po.
Thank you po. Iisip pa sila guys kung anong bibili nila.
Magkano po sa bank po? Magkano po? 295. Okay na yan? Okay na po yan ate.
Okay na po yan.
Apalamanan niyo ba?
Apo. Ng ano po? Margarine. Joke lang.
Margar.
Wala ka ngayon eh. 280 na lang.
Thank you po.
Kahit sino may
Yun!
Oo, dapat
Yun yung maganda doon. Sige te. Ito, maghahanap mo na dyan kayo ng mabibili. Tapos na kami magsibili ng ano guys. So guys, hinitingin siya naman.
Tapos, sita.
Ilang mita?
Magkano?
Mas
Ang gabo po.
hello, nanay!
Boss, magkano kilo sibuyas, boss?
So, nabili na namin lahat ng mga pagkain, ulam, tapos na kami bumili ng ulam. Ang bibili naman namin yan ay bigas. Bigas. Tapos na kami mamili sa lahat. Tapos ang bibili na lang namin ngayon ay chicheria. Mga snacks.
Wondering, is our love strong? Just like a love song, baby, it's haunting me.
Para
Don't know what you're thinking.
so, una natin ay Lala. La 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 la. Fantastic remix.
Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers. Cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless. So no one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars to the floor. Now put your love in loving, loving on me. Yeah, loving on me.
Bili tayo ng... Pabili po. Wala bang tao dito?
Libre nga lang daw yan eh.
Kami yung assistant mo kami na.
Yes, yeah. Bumili ka lang dyan. Ako na bahala magbuhat.
Sa inyo po, sir. Ano yun, sir? 130 lang.
Ah, sige.
Palag niya.
Sige, palag na.
Masisira ito.
Dapat balik. Eh, kala ko baliktad.
Ente, maganda yan. Kulay brown. Pwede.
Ayan po, tindera po siya ngayon. Masarap ba ice cream mo yan? Ano ba yung mga flavor niya ngayon? Tingnan niya. Pala eh. Bili ka kayo, isa lang. Tingnan natin. Hindi ako,
Dati puro apa lang.
Grabe ka naman.
Unang kagat apa lang.
Oo nga.
Hindi naman, kunti lang.
Shoutout sa taga guys team dyan sa Tagig. Puro apple lang daw po, sabi niya.
Abot na kaming mamili. At ngayon pauwi na kami. Bali, ang next na gagawin namin ay
Kakayak na.
mag-uwi. Isa-settle na namin yung mga gamit namin sa bahay. Pupuntan sila ate at si Sandra. At alis na kami. Siyempre, ano pa bang gagawin namin? Maliligo kami sa ilog. Magsasaya. Mapapakanta ng Tingnan natin. Ha? Nahulog yung sibuyas. Nahulog yung sibuyas. Kailangan niya. Butas daw yung ano. Sige po.
Dito, third round tayo.
So, andito kami sa Gapan. Gapan City. City ba yung Gapan? So, nasa Gapan kami. Ngayon, alis na kami, guys. Alis na kami. Ang saya! Ang saya na alis namin! Hapon na, parang babagin pa. Sabi, alas 8. Anong oras na? Anong petsa na? Let's go!
My friends can't find a road, I'll be a roadside, walk inside. Sunshine in Seattle, beautiful breeze in July, light in the darkness. Oh, I'll be a garden in Manhattan. Float after dark, I know it ain't quite Central Park. There's souls in my hometown you wanna reach. Oh God, use me where you have me. I'll be garden in Manhattan, yeah, everywhere it's dry. Well, my friends can't find a road, I'll be a roadside, walk beside. Sunshine in Seattle, yeah, cool breeze in July, light in the darkness. Oh, I'll be a garden in Manhattan. Garden in Manhattan. Flower and concrete, if that's where you want me. Give me only confidence, I don't care the confidence. I can keep you all to myself.
Muna.
Goes against my common sense, and I refuse to run from it. I can keep you all to myself. I'll be a garden in Manhattan, be a river which dry. My friends can't find a road, I'll be a roadside welcome sign. Sunshine in Seattle, yeah, cool breeze in July, light in the darkness. Well, I'll be a garden in Manhattan.
I've been afflicted, I've wandered astray. Yeah. Oh, I'm tired of searching my own way. Yeah. 'Cause I cried and I cried your name into the night. Yeah. Oh, and I tried, but I can't deny that I keep on running back to you. Back to you. Hey! I've been afflicted, I've wandered astray. Yeah. Oh, I'm tired of searching my way. Yeah. Oh, 'cause I cried your name into the night. Yeah. Oh, and I tried, but I can't deny that I keep on running back to you. Back to you. Back to you. Back to you.
There is a place I long to go where the pain gets turned away right out the door. No one gets sick, no one gets old. No more fighting, no more striving anymore. 'Cause I'm on a train that's bound for glory. Got friends and family waiting for me, and they're already singing holy. Singing holy, holy, holy is the Lord. One day I will fly away, trade these bones for robes of grace. And I just can't shake this feeling in my soul. Heaven is my home, this world is a temporary place. I'll leave it one day out of the grave. I'll fly away. I'll fly away.
There is a place I long to know where the heroes of the faith walk straight to gold. And from that place I'll join the song, singing holy, holy, holy is the Lord. One day I will fly away, trade these bones for robes of grace. And I just can't shake that feeling in my soul. Heaven is my home, this world is a temporary place. I'll leave it one day out of the grave. I'll fly away. I'll fly away.
I'm on a train that's bound for glory. Got friends and family waiting for me.
And they're already singing holy, singing holy, holy, holy is the Lord.
One day I will fly away, trade these bones for robes of grace. And I just can't